Okay, now I've upgraded to the latest WordPress, and I've added an extra plugin called Jetpack and got rid of all the other plugins you're not using. So your site stats is here under Jetpack. Jetpack allows you to embed audio files very nicely. So this is how you do it. Let's remove this. So the first thing is to add media. You'll notice that your media library is now different, and I'll just so I've uploaded the MP3. Try and make the MP3s not too large. You can get programs off the internet that will reduce their size. Probably if you just use an iPod to record it, it's going to be okay. If you use a really top quality recorder, you're going to end up with a huge file. Okay, so I uploaded it. So I clicked upload file. I selected the file. There's my full size, and that was my reduced one using my program. So I've already uploaded it before, but you'll click on it and click open, and that will upload it. And then here it is in the media file. So I'm going to click on that. That's the one I want to add. And I'm going to attachment display settings. I'm going to leave that on media file. I'm going to put insert into post. Now we're on the visual editor. Then I'm going to go to the text. Now this link here is a link to the file, and I'm going to edit that. So I'm going to get rid of this first bit where the speech marks start. I'm going to get rid of all of that and just keep that, which is the link here, so between those two speech marks. And then at the big, I'm going to put, make sure you're in the text editor, I'm going to put those square brackets, audio, space, that link, and then close brackets with no gap. Go back to the visual editor, save the draft. Of course you can add an introduction here. This is Eric as speaking at the CIA conference 2012. So save draft again, and then I'll look at the preview, and it has this nice little player ready to go where you can alter the volume as well. So that's how you add oh, you've got a nice little post thing in the end of every post. Nice. Okay, so that's how you add an audio file. Now while I'm here, I'll just quickly show you the Jetpack has some lovely galleries. So if I went to the media library here and I could create a gallery, it'll load, and I can select some images. I'm just going to choose random ones. Okay, and they're in my, and I click create new gallery here. Now you can have a thumbnail grid, you can have a tile mosaic, you can have square tiles, all of those things. So I'll show you the tiled mosaic. So I insert the gallery here. Here's the gallery. When you want to edit, you click on here and edit the gallery. You can change the order of them that they appear in the gallery. Okay, so we'll just update the gallery. I'll save the draft, and I'll refresh this page. And it's taking a minute to load. And you get this nice, lovely gallery. So if you had a whole big pile of images you wanted to upload, you could use that. The thumbnail grid, I'll show you that. There we go, and then there's the thumbnail grid, but you can have a play with those. So I'll delete that. So that was all in your add media and create a gallery settings. So I'll have a play around with that, and I'll leave this post as a draft. You can delete it if you like, but that's just to show you an example how you can add add-ons sermons. If you have any further questions, just give me an email.